Now, among the millions bracing for Helene are former Western New Yorkers and News 4 employees.
Some of them are trying to make the best out of this situation. Our Trina Catterson joins us now with more. Trina.
Dave and Kelsey, hurricanes are not uncommon in Florida, especially along the Gulf Coast. The effects of the storm first started being felt across the state this afternoon. The National Hurricane Center says this could be a life-threatening storm surge with destructive winds and, of course, that flash flooding. As of right now, the hurricane is sitting at a Category 4. Now, the video you're looking at on your screen was sent from a former Western New York resident who now lives in Clearwater, Florida. You can see the palm trees shaking, showing just how windy it is right near the beach. I spoke with Joe Augustinelli a few hours ago, and he says he can really tell that the brunt of the storm is starting to make its way onto the land, but he isn't too concerned just yet. He has evacuated for other storms such as Hurricane Ian in the past, but is choosing to shelter in place for this one.
We're on the northeast side, really, of the hurricane, which they say is the dirty side. So we've been under a tornado watch since very early this morning. Haven't had any warnings in this area. A lot of wind, not as much rain as I've seen with other tropical storms. We just had Debbie not too long ago, a few months ago, and there was a lot more rain with that.
Now, this video you're seeing was actually sent to me by my parents, who happen to be on vacation in Fort Myers. They say the wind by the pier has picked up extensively, and the pool at the hotel they are staying at is now completely submerged. Power has also been in and out, and conditions are only expected to worsen as the night progresses. Augustinelli tells me he has experienced the brutal Buffalo winters, and now he experiences these storms down in Florida. But he says preparation for both is relatively similar, and he plans to stay indoors and only evacuate if absolutely necessary. Reporting in the studio, Trina Catterson, News 4.